Hi everyone. So today I am going to show you something unique that happened where I live. Every year we have a quilt show, and this year they opened the courthouse to take the quilts there. And our courthouse was just restored, and they hung the quilts in the courtroom, and our courtroom actually has a balcony, so it provided a great opportunity to get captured on film some beautiful quilts hanging in a beautiful restored building. So I'm going to share that with you today. This is just beautiful. The pews have the quilts draped over them. I just love that setting. They had vintage quilts. They had brand new quilts. They had some of my quilts even. This was just, I just love it when quilts are displayed like this. So pretty. And there they are on the balcony, and just absolutely beautifully amazing. And not all of the quilts hung like that. Some of them hung up on the actual commissioner's court. I guess that's called a desk. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful. And it also, the quilts also hung somewhat on the chairs for the jury. And those chairs, that's where my quilts got put, and those chairs just made the quilts look kind of lumpy. Not thrilled about that, but I am touched because that's where my dad sits when he goes to the commissioner's court. So here we have a vintage quilt, and that is my family quilt. Yes, that was made back in the 60s for my aunt and her arrival into the world. Here is the winning quilt for the show. That was made back in the 30s, and it was made with little bitty squares. And here is the winner of the 250th commemorative quilt. She won this and donated it to the VFW. The VFW actually chose that as the winning quilt. And this is the second time she's appeared on my channel. Her name is Rose, and she is a gem. And I did not get all of the photos. I didn't capture all the photos. There was too many quilts, and because I was a part of this, I didn't get to go snap a bunch of photos, but I thought I'd share this with you today. Thanks for watching.